To cash out your Uber Pro Card, start by understanding what the Uber Pro Card is. The Uber Pro Card is a debit card provided by Uber to its drivers, allowing them to access their earnings instantly. First, ensure you have the Uber app and the Uber Pro Card set up in your account. If you have not received your Uber Pro Card, you can request one through the Uber app. Next, navigate to the earnings section of the Uber app to view your current balance. This section will display the amount of money you have available to cash out. To cash out your earnings, go to the earnings section and click on the cash out button. You will then be prompted to select the payment method you want to use. Choose the Uber Pro Card as your payment method. After selecting the Uber Pro Card, you will be asked to enter the amount you want to cash out. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. The funds will then be transferred to your Uber Pro Card instantly. You can then use your Uber Pro Card to make purchases or withdraw cash from an ATM. Be aware that some ATMs may charge a fee for withdrawals. It is also important to note that the Uber Pro Card is a debit card, which means you can only spend the amount of money that is available on the card. You cannot overdraft or spend more than your available balance. To keep track of your spending and balance, you can use the Uber app or the website of the bank that issued your Uber Pro Card. This will help you stay on top of your finances and avoid any potential issues. By following these steps, you can easily cash out your Uber Pro Card and access your earnings instantly. Remember to always keep track of your balance and spending to avoid any issues.